Welcome to Grow Your Own Winter Herb Garden, where we explore the magic of fresh herbs, even during the coldest months of the year. Winter herbs bring vibrant flavors to your kitchen and offer countless benefits, like saving money, ensuring quality, and deepening your connection to nature. In this video, we'll guide you through the top 5 winter hardy herbs, how to grow them, and tips to keep your garden thriving all season long. Why grow winter herbs? These incredible plants thrive despite the chill, bringing fresh, aromatic flavors to your meals when everything else seems dormant. By growing your own, you save on grocery trips, control the quality of what you consume, and add a touch of green to brighten those gray winter days. Stick with us as we explore 5 essential winter herbs: rosemary, thyme, chives, parsley, and sage, and how they can transform your garden and your plate. First up is rosemary. Known for its fragrant aroma and robust flavor, rosemary thrives in cold weather when cared for properly. This versatile herb elevates meats, soups, and even desserts. It also boasts medicinal properties, like improving focus and digestion. To grow rosemary, ensure it gets plenty of sunlight, has well-drained soil, and is protected from harsh winds. Next is thyme, a delicate yet powerful herb with a delightful aroma. Thyme adds depth to dishes like chicken and tomato sauces and offers health benefits as a natural remedy for coughs and sore throats. Plant thyme in a sunny spot with well-drained soil and prune it occasionally to encourage growth. Moving on to chives, which bring a mild onion and garlic flavor to soups, salads, and dips. Chives are not only easy to grow, but also act as a natural insect repellent. They thrive in partial shade with consistent moisture, and you can harvest them throughout the winter for continuous freshness. Fourth on our list is parsley, a kitchen staple with a bright, fresh taste. Perfect for garnishes, sauces, and more, parsley is packed with vitamins and minerals to boost your health. It grows best in well-drained soil with consistent moisture and some protection from frost. Finally, we have sage, a robust herb with a unique earthy flavor. Sage is perfect for roasting vegetables, meats, and even stuffing. Beyond its culinary uses, sage has been valued for centuries for its medicinal properties, like aiding digestion and reducing inflammation. To grow sage, give it well-drained soil, full sun, and minimal watering. Growing herbs in winter does come with challenges, but with a few simple tips, your garden can thrive. Protect your plants from frost by using mulch, cold frames, or even bringing pots indoors. Adjust your watering strategy to match the drier winter conditions. Avoid overwatering, as it can lead to root rot. Equip yourself with essential tools like gloves, frost protection covers, and pruning shears to maintain your garden with ease. And there you have it, the top 5 winter hardy herbs to grow in your garden: rosemary, thyme, chives, parsley, and sage. Each offers its unique flavors, health benefits, and versatility in the kitchen, making them perfect companions for the colder months. We'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite winter herbs? Drop a comment and let us know. Ready to start your winter garden? Now's the time to plant, nurture, and enjoy fresh herbs all season long. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.